Dear friends, welcome to weekly view on markets. Nifty consolidated during this week with positive bias and gained 0.72%. Bank Nifty was leading with a gain of 1.92%. Mostly the private banks gained during this week. Mid and small cap indices ended with losses of around 0.5%. The whole week was like a consolidation. Charts show that market has hit resistance levels and they are trading at around the resistance levels. We'll see a rally further if the resistance levels are crossed in the coming week. 2nd April is the important date as the US president is set to announce trade tariffs. In the first week of April, there is RBI Monetary Policy Committee meeting, and the outcome of monetary policy meeting will be a trigger for the market. And also, quarter four results are going to start from second week of April. The result season will decide the market direction in the month of April. FIIs have been buying for last 2 weeks, and if FII buying continues, we'll see a good support to the market, and it will help the market to go to the higher levels. It is good time to accumulate quality stocks and invest in mutual funds. Now let us look performance of indices during this week. Nifty closed at 23,519 with a gain of 169 points, that is 0.72% up. Bank Nifty closed at 51,564 with a gain of 971 per unit. Bank Nifty was leading the market with a gain of 1.92%. Mid cap index lost about 0.34%. Small cap index lost about 0.55%. India VIX is steady at around 12.71. Now let us look at sectoral performances. Equal number of sectors were gaining and equal number of sectors were losing during this week. PSU banks led with a gain of 2.16%, and private banks gained also at around 2%. Bank Nifty overall has gained about 1.92%. NBFCs have gained around 2%. Public sector stocks have gained around 1.31%. Infrastructure sector has gained around at about 0.85%. FMCG sector gained around 1.14%. Media sector lost around 4.68%. Healthcare sector, pharma sector lost around 2%. Auto stocks lost about 2%. Consumer durables, realty, manufacturing, metals all lost around 1%. Remaining sectors were just consolidating with small gains and losses. Now let us look at technical charts. This is the daily chart of Nifty. Here we can see Nifty rallied and it faced resistance at around 23,750, and from there it has slightly retraced. Now for Nifty to go further, it has to cross this 23,750. After that we will see a rally, and next resistance level is 24,250. And if Nifty comes down, it has got good support at around 22 23,000 levels. This is the chart of Nifty mid cap index. Mid cap index also faced resistance at around 52,700, and from there slight retracement has happened. It has got good support at around 51,500 levels, and if it crosses this resistance level of around 52,700 level, then mid cap index can go up to 54,750. 54,750 is the next resistance level, and it has got good support at around 52,000 level. This is a chart of Nifty small cap index. Small cap index has been rising in a channel. It is a uptrending channel. After hitting the low at 14,500, it has started the rally and it has hit the top end of the channel. After that, it has retraced. Support is at the bottom of the channel, and if it has to give a big rally, it has to break this channel and go up, which at present doesn't look like a possibility. It may continue trading within this channel. This is a chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has also hit a resistance at around 51,700, and from there it has slightly retraced. This looks like a consolidation around these levels. If it crosses 51,750, then it can rally up to 53,600 levels. The next resistance level, that is 53,600 level. And it has got good support at around 51,000 level. So Bank Nifty is near to the support level. And by looking at the price action of the previous week, the Bank Nifty was having a lot of strength. It can continue its rally after crossing these resistance level. Now let us look at some of the macroeconomic fundamentals. Macroeconomic parameters of Indian economy continues to remain strong. RBI forex reserves is at 658.8 billion US dollars this week. It is up by around 4 billion US dollars during this week. Foreign exchange rate is at 85.47. After hitting at around 88 level, rupee has strengthened. The demand for dollars has also come down. Dollar index from around 109 level, it has come to 104.4. This is one of the major reasons why rupee has strengthened. And crude price is at $73.63 per barrel. The lower crude price is beneficial to Indian economy and to the oil marketing companies. Petroleum Minister recently has made a statement that if the oil prices continue at the present level, the PSU oil companies may reduce the petrol and diesel prices. The reduction in petrol and diesel prices will have a very good impact on the inflation, and if the inflation comes down, RBI may reduce the rates further. So the rate reduction will be a good for companies to boost their margins and bottom lines, and good for the stock market also. Gold price hit 91,200 record level, and presently it is trading at around 88,800 levels. FIIs continue to buy. This is the second week they have again bought. 17,426 crore. For the full last 20 days, they have bought more than 20,000 crore. DIIs also bought 6,797 crore during in equity during this week. Both FII and DII buying is giving good support to the market. IIP growth number for February 25 has come. It has come at 2.9%, which is lower than the previous year and also the previous month. So this is a cause for concern. The core sectors have slightly slowed down in the month of February. Markets await announcement from US President on April 2nd regarding the tariffs, trade tariffs. And we have looked at the charts. Charts are after hitting resistance, they are trading around the resistance level. They have to cross the resistance. Then we will see further rally. By looking at the various price action and other parameters, more likely that market will cross the resistance and will go to the higher levels in the coming weeks. RBI MPC meeting will be held on in the first week of April, and market is hoping for a rate cut of around 0.25%, 25 basis points. So this will be another trigger for the market. And quarterly four results will start from the second week of April. And if the results are good, we'll see stock specific action. And wherever results are not so good, we may see correction in those stocks. But overall, I suggest investors to look at buying quality stocks and also continue the investments in their SIPs. And investors can also look at investing lump sum amount in mutual funds at this point of time with a horizon of around 3 years. This is all for this week. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. You can refer to your friends. You can ask your questions, which I will reply. We'll meet again next week. Thank you.